can you just tell us what you're going to do out there today?
Probably just send it.
Send it, yeah, into the wall?
Try not to.
Okay, well your wheels look better than your mate over there.
Yeah, what's up with that?
Yeah, bro. Did you get that throttle cable sorted out?
It's better, but it's not. But if the weather's like this, it's not going to work, bro.
What is up, people? Welcome back to another video. How the fuck are you? Alright, yeah, we are just, it's like 7:30 or something in the morning. We're in Taupo for Aussie Assault. Had fucking shit asleep. Like, bed was rock solid. But it's a pretty miserable day. Overcloud. But, you know, it is what it is. Already took the car to the track, so it's at the garage and everything there. Did that yesterday, which is good because obviously nowhere to park a car trailer around here. But yeah, let's see how this day goes. Alright, so we're just pulling up now. Already cars and stuff out on the track. But look, it's fucking raining. It's fucking raining. Oh, hopefully it's just a little bit of shit and it fucking clears away. It's not ideal at all. We're here. So the first crew session's already been done and dusted. It's so wet out there, it's hard. The first burnout session started. I'm not going to go out, it's just too wet. But I'm going to suit up for the drift session and give that a crack. So yeah, there's a few, you can see a few commies lined up. Yeah, boy. Have you got any words of advice to this guy, mate?
Don't skid in the wet.
Oh. Hey, can you just tell us what you're going to do out there today?
Probably just send it.
Send it, yeah, into the wall?
Try not to.
Okay.
Just send
Well, your wheels look better than your mate over there.
Yeah, what's up with that?
Lovely day today, boys.
Beautiful day.
Any words today?
Pad stays wet enough, I should be able to get second.
Fucking yeah, boy. Holy fuck. Big block.
You need to get out there and try that pad off.
Fuck that, it's too wet out there, bro. I'll end up in the wall.
Next up we've got Cam with On Range. Too nice, Dre. Put it away.
Yeah, he's leaking.
Damn a shame, cunt. You made it, mate, you made it. I'll go line up like yeah, you're right. Can you tell me, is there any tread left on those tyres?
What's that?
Is there any tread left?
Still got like 5 or 6 mil.
Oh yes.
You want to keep your hand in the window?
Oh, that was.
No, just
Oh.
the whole time he's like that.
Oh.
Yeah, you were good.
You just throw it into the corner. Use the weight of the car to get you around the corner. obviously not the greatest day because of the weather for us. Still had a good day. Just a shame I couldn't get out on the track. Couldn't do burnouts, couldn't do nothing because of the rain. In the crew sessions, the car wasn't liking the rain. You know, obviously the water was just fucking pouring in the hat, so fuck knows. Still had a good day. Still got a good solid drift section in, which was good, and we took out the Drift King award. So I was pretty grateful about that. Well, it's the day after Aussie Assault. I actually drove home, straight home from Taupo after the event. Got home about 11 o'clock last night. And then today is, I don't know, pack up day, fucking unload the trailer day, all that kind of stuff. And it's just miserable. It's miserable. It's pissing down. I've actually just, there's a sort of a break in the torrential rain. Now it's just drizzling. So we're gonna bloody unload the car. As stupid as it sounds, I'm going to give it a wash because I don't want to put it away filthy. Ah, fuck, this weather in New Zealand sucks. Alright, and that is us done. Cleaned. Now, going to get thrown away, put in the garage, and not coming out until Auto Fest. That's our next event. September 11th to 12th, Manfield. Oh, we found one little, I just found one little issue. I was just fucking having a look at this and look at this. Whole thing's come fucking loose. These are all loose. They got nuts on the inside, but the screws are about that long. So if they would have come loose straight down, oh fucking hell. Unlucky oos. So we've got to get onto that, plus a few other things, but yeah. See you at Autofest. We out!